Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to edit sites that can use embedded content on OpenGX. The first thing you need to do is open up your settings. I prefer using the keyboard shortcut of Alternate and P. So once it's opened, then you scroll all the way down until you see site settings. Then you click on it. Next, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see embedded content. So you can, here, site can ask to use info they've saved about you. Click on it, and here, site you visit can embed content from other sites, for example, images, ads, and text. These other sites can ask for permissions to use info they've saved about you as you browse the site. Now here you can set the default behavior, which this is the behavior that the site is going to follow when you visit them. Now if you want sites to ask to use info they said about you, leave it on here. If you want sites to be blocked, asking you to use info they said about you, choose this option. Next, you can also do customized behavior. If there's any particular sites you set to automatically be blocked from using info they said about you, they will appear here. Then if there's any particular sites you've allowed automatically to use info they said about you, they will appear here. It's as simple as that. That is how to edit sites that can use embedded content on Opera GX.